Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at an Olympiad problem. So all x belongs to R square root of x square minus 1 plus square root of x square plus x minus 2 is equal to fourth root of x square minus 2x plus 1. So you have to find the values of x. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. This type of problems you cannot find in any other channel. So here, how to solve this problem? So here, if you see, Amma, what is given? X square minus 1 plus square root of x square plus x minus 2 is equal to fourth root of x square minus 2x plus 1. So you can write it as factors. So this is a plus b into a minus b. So you'll get x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this you can write it as factors x plus 2 into x minus 1. Here also you can write it as x minus 1 whole square. So this can be written as root of mod x minus 1. Let it be 1 now. Now here x plus 1 into x minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 0 because it is in the root, and x plus 2 into x minus 1 also it is greater than or equal to 0, and mod of x minus 1 is also greater than or equal to 0. So from this you can write x is greater than or equal to 1 or x is less than or equal to minus 1. If you take the second case, x is greater than or equal to 1 or x is less than or equal to minus 2. And in the third case, x belongs to real numbers. Now by using this data, if you draw a number line, so here you will get 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. If you combine all this data, so the possible values of x will be x greater than or equal to 1 or x less than or equal to minus 2. So here you'll get two possible cases. One is x greater than or equal to 1 and other case is x less than or equal to minus 2. So we'll take first case. If x is greater than or equal to 1, then what will happen? Root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1 plus root of x plus 2 root of x minus 1 is equal to square root of x minus 1. So here you can take root of x minus 1 common. Root of x plus 1 plus root of x plus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. From this you can write root of x minus 1 equal to 0, or root of x plus 2 is equal to 1 minus root of x plus 1. Now x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1 now. Now if you do squaring on both sides in the second case, so here you will get x plus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 root of x plus 1 plus x plus 1, 1 get cancelled. So here x also get cancelled here. 0 is equal to root of x plus 1. That implies x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. But here we are having the condition that x is greater than 1 or x is less than or equal to minus 2. So that's why this is rejected. Now if you go to case 2, in the case 2, if x is less than or equal to minus 2, square root of x plus 1 into x minus 1 square root of x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to root of 1 minus x. So here if you substitute the value, square root of 1 minus x minus 1 minus x plus square root of minus 2 minus x 1 minus x, taking minus common, is equal to square root of 1 minus x. Square root of 1 minus x into square root of minus x minus 1 plus square root of minus 2 minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So here minus x minus 1 equal to 0, or square root of minus 2 minus x is equal to 1 minus root of 1 minus 1 minus x. So here x is equal to 1. Minus 2 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 root of minus 1 minus x plus of minus 1 minus x. So here x get cancelled. Minus 2 root of minus 1 minus x is equal to minus 2. 1 get cancelled. Square root of minus 1 minus x equal to 1. Minus 1 minus x equal to 1. X is equal to minus 2. So this is accepted. So here what is the solution? Here x equal to 1 or minus 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching and see the Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching and see the Max Olympiad.